Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Code Tech Institute. In today's video, I would like to teach you how to create a website from scratch. This website that I'm going to teach you to create, I'm going to create it entirely using Google Sites. So this video is about Google Sites. So before we dive into the actual creation process, I would like to show you the type of the website that we are going to develop. This is the website. This is an example of the website that I want you to be able to develop by the end of this video. As you can see, this one is a fully functional website with all the essential features. I want to show you all the features that are on this website. And then we are going to recreate this whole website together, step by step. It has many pages. That is why I chose it to be the assemble website that we are going to develop together, because there's a lot to learn in coming up with this website. For example, it is our home page, and we see that our home page features a button like register now, and then it is career placement hub. Here is all you need to know, and so on and so forth. So this is more of a job placement website. This job placement website, like I said, it has many pages, many features. For example, we have got open vacancies. This one is for those for job seekers. Job seekers are grouped into different categories. For example, we have got education vacancies, healthcare vacancies, NGO vacancies, and so on and so forth. What it means is, if an individual is looking for employment, can come on this to this website and then click, say, on education vacancies. There's a drop down menu under education vacancies. If you click here, you can see which education vacancies or categories are available. There is ECD teacher, primary school teacher, and so on and so forth. Let me say I want to look for an education job vacancy as a secondary school teacher. Then I would click here, and then I can see if there are any secondary school teaching vacancies. Currently, there are no vacancies available. But as you can see, this website is very nice. It has all the features that are most important. Let me just click here. For example, I want to look for employment in NGOs. Let me click on NGO vacancies. If I click on NGO vacancies, you'll be taken to this page. I want to teach you how to create everything. Now, on this one, you can see United Nations vacancies, and the warning that is there, the UN organ vacancies. You can see them here. If you click any one of these buttons, you'll be taken to the vacancies that are available. Even UN volunteer vacancies, the actual UN volunteer vacancies, you can see them if you click this button. And then other NGO vacancies, currently there are no other NGO vacancies that are available, right? Let me just click here for interest's sake. Let me click UN volunteer vacancies. I want to click this one and then see where we're going to be taken to, right? If I click this one, that's so wonderful. Now we are taken to the UNV job portal, and we can see all the UN volunteer vacancies that are available, right? And then you can apply, right? So I want to teach you how to do all this in this series of videos. And then we also have the recruiters drop down menu, where we have recruiters have a choice to hire from registered candidates. They can advertise open vacancies, can advertise apprenticeships, can make donations or scholarships, or offer scholarships. Then we also have here another drop down menu for scholarships. You can see if there are any scholarships available. Let me click here and see if there are any scholarships available. Unfortunately, there are no scholarships available. However, we've got related topics here. You can click here to see scholarships in our beta that are available. You can apply for these scholarships. These are very true scholarships. So I want to go through with you how the entire process of coming up with this website. This is a very, very good learning example. I developed this website entirely using Google Sites without writing any single piece of code. To be able to develop this website, you don't need any background knowledge in ICT or in computer science. All you just need is the right tools and the right mindset. You need to have a laptop, and then you need to have the I can do it attitude, as I said before. So we are going to sit back and relax as I will be taking you through the whole process of developing this entire website. Let's begin and jump straight into it.